Welcome into JJ with Joy. I'm not done with Christmas yet, you guys. I had one more. I found this digital kit. It's Sweet Pea Curiosities, and it is so cute. And so I had to make this very small journal, and I'm just going to swipe that off. And I left some bells and charms. It has 2025 on there for Christmas this year. I put some corners on the front, and I put a velvet spine. Let's get into it. I have Tim Holtz washi here that I layered in strips, and I just love this kit because it has the red and white just pops. There's this one. Now this is different digitals from other people. I put little little fabric tabs here and there, but I used a glassine envelope here. This is just some tissue paper, nice little feel to it. Warm wishes. This is just the main papers are Sweet Pea Curiosities. The rest of it is different digitals here and there. I put in some tags. I have inventory tags and all kinds. Little vintage paper. This is Amity Blooms washi and other digitals. Those are so cute. I love how that came out. I had some random papers, and so I put them in there. I hope you all had a Merry Christmas, and I want to wish you a Happy New Year. There's a couple pieces of ephemera there. And I'm sorry about the glare. I love this as the center of the first signature. This little North Pole Santa Claus license I thought was very cute. Several people came out with those this year. I noticed. Our friend Claudine has some that are better than the ones I bought. I wish I would have bought from her, but that's okay. Thought that was cute. This is just a little tag with a rusty clip on it and just a torn piece of paper. As you can see, this is a very small journal. This is the other side, and you could tuck something in that, but I just left it because it's still pretty, being kind of vellum-y. Is that even a word? Who knows? Uh-oh, there we go. I cut my nails, my fingers don't work. This is the middle of the start of the second signature here. This was cute because it had like a little recipe on there. Magical Moments. I know that's Tim Holtz, and there's several different peoples. There's different peoples in here. Anyway, I hope you all had a good year, and it ends wonderful for you. But this is just now this didn't really go, but I liked it because it has gingerbread stuff. I made one of these with, putting candy in them for our sale this year. So I just stuck some random digitals in there and have the little deer hopping out of this. I just think that's cute like that. Gotta love me some Christmas. It's my favorite time of the year. That's yet a different digital. Actually, I think that's Tracy Fox Freebie. I had accidentally cut, I didn't even know I did. I don't know how I did, but I guess I did right there. Anyway, I cut off the end of it, so I sewed it closed with, it looks better anyway. You make these little boo-boos. What I did was I originally sewed in the signature. You know how you're supposed to put a right on the top, that is the top of your thing. Well, I did, but clearly I did not. I had them upside down. I had one signature upside down, so I had to chop, and I got this really fancy new cutter, so I had to play with it. So anyway, that is it. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, and I hope to see you back. If you would like to see more from me, subscribe, ring the bell, and I will see you next time. Have a happy new year, everyone, and enjoy your holidays.